In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with charts in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Forms is an incredibly handy tool for gathering data, whether it's for a survey, quiz, or feedback form. Once you've collected your responses, it's essential to analyze that data effectively. That's where charts come in. Now, let's jump right into how you can work with charts in Google Forms. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your Google form open. After you've collected responses, you'll notice a tab at the top labeled Responses. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all the magic happens. It provides a summary of the data you've collected, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to visualize your responses through charts. Once you're in the Responses tab, take a moment to scroll down. Here you'll find insights about all the answers provided in your quiz or form. But what's really impressive is how Google Forms generates charts for each of the questions you've asked. Each type of question will have its dedicated chart format. For instance, if you have a multiple choice question, the corresponding chart will display the choices visually, showing how many respondents selected each option. Now, let's dig a little deeper. As we scroll down, you'll notice that different types of questions yield different charts. Take, for example, a rating question. The chart generated for this will look different compared to a multiple choice question. You might be greeted with different formats as you look through the charts: bar graphs, pie charts, or line graphs, all depending on how you've structured your questions and what kind of data you gathered. It's a very effective way to compare the responses you receive. Once you've found the chart that you're interested in reviewing, you might want to share it or include it in a presentation. This is where Google Forms makes it super convenient. If you look closely at the chart, you will see a Copy Chart button right there next to it. This little button is your friend. It allows you to copy the chart easily. So let's say you found an insightful chart from a specific question that you believe will enrich a report or a presentation. Simply click that Copy Chart button. After you've copied the chart, you can move over to Google Docs, Slides, or any other PDF document and paste it wherever you need. This feature ensures that you can share your findings seamlessly. Remember, good visuals can make your data easier to understand. Presenting your results with these charts can help convey the information effectively to your audience, whether they are team members, clients, or stakeholders. Plus, the clarity that comes from properly displayed data can lead to better decision-making. Now, before we wrap up, I'd like to encourage you to experiment with different types of questions in your own Google Forms. The more you play around with the settings, the more you understand how various data can be represented. Over time, you will get better at interpreting these visual representations and utilizing them in your work or personal projects. And that's it. This was a quick overview of how to work with charts in Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful and has inspired you to dive deeper into utilizing charts for your data analysis. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks like this one. Happy charting!